Wait, is it LearnWorlds really the best platform to create educational content? I don't know, but I think it has something really, really unique that I have not seen in other platforms like Thinkific or Teachable or Kajabi. Maybe they're there, but I haven't seen them. So this is what it is. It's annotating right within your course area. So just take it, imagine you are the student and you're navigating through your course. Obviously you have some text and you have some videos and things. So now you're in one of the courses, modules, whatever, lessons where there's some text. And you're thinking, oh, I want to remember this thing about interactive online course. So you simply highlight. In other words, let's take another one here, and guess what? Right over here. So if I simply run my mouse right over there, I get to choose, see that? A color. I just chose a color right there, and it stays highlighted, and it remembers. You can also, this is much like a Kindle, so not so exciting if you're a Kindle user, but I have not seen this in an online course, so it's really wonderful that you don't have to go and create your own separate notepad, scribble your stuff down, but you can actually put your notes right in here in the same way that if you were to highlight your text, as I did here, you can add a note. Right here it says LearnWorlds Interactive Features Annotating, which is exactly what I'm doing. I typed in these notes, annotate in 3 colors, add a note just like this. And then, of course, you want to go back and you want to review your notes. And when you come back to the same area within the course, maybe there's multiple courses you're taking inside the platform, but you can simply click back into the specific lesson and your notes are still there with your other notes. Now, let's say you've added many notes. You go up here to this hamburger icon. I'm going to click that. And look at this. We get another menu. So in here where it says best resources, that's where you'll find the notes you took before. Of course, these are some of the other courses that are available to you. But let me go to here first. I want to keep this particular video short. So I'm going to go into best resources. And right there where it says my notebook, I'm being the student now, so that's my notebook. Then there's highlights and notes. So I'm going to go ahead and click on highlights, and there it is. There are some of the highlights that I took as I was going through the course. But then you might be thinking, oh, wait, where exactly was I in this giant course, if it is a giant one, where I actually highlighted this? Well, you don't have to remember because there's the link that will take you right back to the specific location within anywhere within the course. How amazing is that? And of course, if we go back to your notes section here, these are where I actually wrote in or typed in the different notes, and there they are. Now, if you're the course creator, let me see if I can move this over here, you can see where it says useful links. This is another one of the many areas where if you want to have easy access to your students to access links, whether they're referral links or they're links for recommended reading for books, or maybe you have some downloads in whatever, what is it called, Dropbox or Google Docs. You can just keep them right here in the platform, but in case you have links that are outside, blog posts, whatever, you can put all those useful links right over here. So I'm going to stop right here. I just wanted to show you that one amazing thing that's in LearnWorlds, and then I'll create another video for you, probably tonight and or tomorrow, and we'll go on and show you some other amazing features. My name is Jeff Bliss, and if you'd like to try out LearnWorlds, they do have a promotion running right now. My understanding is it goes through the 15th. Today's the 14th of August, so that will be tomorrow. And it ends at midnight Pacific time or California time. And their discount currently is 15% off. So very close. If you were to pay for the full year, which I don't necessarily recommend unless you know you want it, the 15% off is close to that. Not quite. It's 15% discount, but it's on a monthly no contract basis. But in any case, I'll put the link below. Now, oftentimes, you may have been wondering it yourself, but sometimes I'm watching a video on YouTube like this that's reviewing software, and I'm thinking, they just want me to click their link. They're only putting this up because they want to make money. Well, you can set your fears aside because I actually recommend this software. I like it so much that I don't care whose link you use. You don't need to click my link. And please don't smash anything. I'm not a smasher, and I don't recommend you smash anything on a delicate computer. But no, you absolutely don't need to use my link. You can use any link you want. I do recommend, however, using somebody's affiliate link. Why? Because if you go direct to the company website, the price list you see, that's the same price list as if you use somebody's affiliate link. And sometimes you actually get a bigger discount by using an affiliate link. But in any case, it's the company that pays a little bonus to the person that provided the link. But in any case, it's good karma points. And I think everyone can use a little more karma, right? Anyway, my name is Jeff Bliss, and I'll be back with some more videos. Thank you so much. Bye now.